Meditation. Well, there's several types. Meditation is a technique of remembering who we are. So dhikrullah, remembering Allah, to remember an aspect of who we are before we were inundated with the trauma of illusion. So meditation is to try to transcend the monkey brain, the logical thought process that's based on cause and effect, transcending that and getting into a realm that is beyond cause and effect and beyond trauma, into the experiences of the real. If you're Muslim, the best meditation to do is llāh illallah, bar none. It's the most powerful, the most readily available, the safest, the easiest, and it's a negation and a confirmation, a negation and a affirmation. La ilaha illallah, and it's the negative. There is no but this. There is none of this but this. So why is it important for us to acknowledge that which is not? And we acknowledge that which is not so that we can see what is. I'm an engineer, I'm a broadcast engineer, so signal for me is very important. And in broadcasting, when there's a signal being broadcast, it's being broadcast on a known carrier wave. And that known carrier wave has a frequency. So when you tune your radio or your TV to whatever the frequency is, you're tuning to this one known frequency. That frequency is constant and perfect. When we strip away the perfection, we see that which is imperfect, which is the signal itself. The signal of the TV or the music is riding on a perfect carrier wave. We take the perfection out and we hear the music. We see the picture. You understand? So it's the imperfection that is the message within the perfect wave. So perfection is only a carrier for the picture or the music that we are experiencing of life itself. So when we can focus on the carrier wave, the perfect carrier wave, we can take it away and neutralize it. We can nullify it, and then we're left with the actual noise. So this is the noise is the la ilaha, and the carrier wave is llāh. So by reflecting on, you've got noise and illusion, and then you've got perfection and reality. The dynamic interplay between those two states is life itself and what we are experiencing as life. So if that's not too technical, that's one of the ways. I tend to think in these terms because of my engineering background. But